So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So,
Who is this?
Good.
Pankaj. Pankaj. Only sevens.
Chemistry, sir. They put a dealer on but that's why, I guess.
Okay. Actually, today we have got how many
Two
classes?
class.
Two classes.
Two.
So we'll take some break in between. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sure.
Vivek, Sudhakar, are they here? Vivek, Sudhakar,
Vivek is not here, sir.
Sudhakar is.
Sudhak also no, not here.
Rita is 17. No.
Rita is here. Yes, sir.
Who is
Yes,
15?
sir.
15.
Pankaj.
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 This is Shultim.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Pankaj. So how is your net connection?
Sir, great.
It's good today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Pankaj, just mute your mic, okay? Whenever you want
Yes,
to
sir.
talk, you can just unmute and talk.
Okay, sir.
Who is 10?
He said that.
Isse? Isse? Is he having some kind of internet problem? Who is 9?
Dinesh,
Dinesh. So
8.
how is your net connection?
good sir.
It's good. Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Who is 8?
8, sir.
Okay, Abib. So your net connection is also okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is Deepika. And who is 3? Who is 3?
Abhinash.
Sir, Almas.
Oh, Avinash, your net is also okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll start. So Aditya also has joined. So previously what we were doing? Do you have any idea? What we were doing previously?
Heat and
Last
thermodynamics.
Newton's
Okay,
law.
heat and thermal. Last was Newton's law. Did you check your class notes? Everyone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
We were doing what?
Newton's law of cooling.
Can you see clearly? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Newton's law of cooling.
Newton.
What was the Newton's law of cooling tells us? It basically tells us that rate of change of heat,
Yes, sir.
how the heat decreases is proportional to difference in temperature. So this was a temperature of a source. It was the temperature of a source. And what was this? Temperature of the surrounding. isn't it? Who is that? Can you hear me clearly, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can hear me clearly, okay? One of you just keep your mic on. Whose net connection is good, just keep your mic on. One. Deepika,
Yes, sir.
you just unmute your mic, okay?
Okay, sir.
So till now, I think everything was clear till here, okay? No. So we had a system.
Yes.
We had a system where you have what? There was some kind of water, and there was a heated body. So it was at a temperature what? T naught, and this was at a temperature T. So after finally, where did we stop last time? I think
So
here, no,
we
del
did
T by del T is equals to K T minus
minus
T naught
minus of
with negative sign, no? The negative sign was due to the fact that the temperature is decreasing with respect to time. The gradient is decreasing. Till here, I think we have done previously.
yes, sir.
So today what we are going to do? We are going to solve this. Have you seen this kind of equation? I think this is very easy to solve also. Tell me if you have a problem, okay? D by dt, what we can write is equals to dt by t minus t naught is equals to what we can write. Can we write this? Now after this, what we will do? Integrating both sides. So what is the integration of d divided by t minus t naught? Integration of 1 by t minus t naught.
Log
Log T minus T naught.
log T minus T naught.
Basically log t minus t naught.
Not.
Isn't it? Is equals to negative kt plus 1 constant. Isn't it?
So,
Is it clear till here? Is it clear till here?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
C is called
sir.
what? Integration constant, no?
Yes, sir.
Integration constant. So how can we get rid of this integration constant? By using initial conditions. So what was our initial conditions? What was our initial conditions? At t is equals to 0, the temperature was maximum. No, do you remember this? It was at
Yes.
100 degrees Celsius.
Yes, sir.
Everyone remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will just put this in this equation. Then putting this in equation number 1, what? T basically becomes Tm negative k into 0 plus C. Basically, it becomes log of Tm minus T naught is equals to C. Everyone can see this clearly, no?
Yes, sir.
Can I write it slightly smaller?
Yes.
Is it too
No,
big
sir.
or it's okay?
It's fine, sir.
Okay. Now we can put this in the solve of equation 1, isn't it?
Hmm.
I will use a different color, okay? So log of T minus T naught is equals to negative KT plus, we'll put this C log of Tm minus T naught. Is it clear till here?
Oh, okay, sir.
I think we have just replaced C over here. Can you see?
Yeah.
We have just put this C over here. It's clear now till here?
Yes, sir.
Now what we can do, we can bring this on our left hand side. Log of T minus T naught minus log of Tm minus T naught is equals to negative Kt. Now if there is subtraction in log, what we can do, you can combine this and do it in terms of division. Do you know this?
Yes, sir. Log A minus log B is equal
Yes,
to
log A minus log B formula. Okay. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Now what one can do? Cross multiplication. Taking anti-log on both sides. Basically what you can write this to T minus T naught divided by Tm minus T naught is equals to e to the power negative Kt. Can we write this? Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear? Pankaj, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Pankaj?
Yes, sir.
I think it's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
No? We are just
sir.
experimenting. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
is clear, no? Till here. Aditya, is it clear till here?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, okay. Hisse? Where is Hisse? Hisse? Okay, so we'll continue. T minus T naught equal to what we can do? This you can do. Or basically T is equals to T naught plus Tm minus T naught e to the power negative. This small, no? This was small k, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is your final expression. Okay. So what does this tell you? This tells you how temperature decreases with what? Time. How the cooling occurs. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now whether your answer is right or not, okay, you can just check it. Let's say when T equal to 0, what should be a temperature?
X.
Okay, T should be what? Tm, no?
Yes, sir.
So now let's put it over here, okay? Then T will be equal to T0 plus Tm minus T naught. E to the power 0 is 1.
Fine.
T is equals to T naught plus Tm minus T naught. T naught cancel out. So yeah, basically a temperature is Tm. Is it now fine?
Yes,
I think your
sir.
equation is correct, no? So what one can do is one can plot this. Okay. How one can plot this? One can plot this in this manner. Temperature versus time. Temperature versus time. If you plot this, what? It's exponentially decreasing, no? Let's bring a line. It's extremely bad. Nice straight line is. No, I think it's fine, no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone can see this.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you plot that,
Yes,
basically
sir.
what you will get, this axis is temperature, this axis is time. Basically, if you plot that, what you will get? What you will get?
Straight.
Not a straight line. It will be exponentially decreasing in this manner. No, due to this exponential.
Yes.
And basically, this initial, this will become your Tm. No, at time is equals to 0. As time evolves, it will become like this. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Initially, it should start from Tm, no? That you have already seen from here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, now
sir.
we go to our question basically. What you were doing previously, what you were doing was you were boiling the water, no? Previously, at the very starting. What we have discussed,
Yes, sir.
you have boiled the water. This was there and you started boiling it so that its temperature reached at
100.
100. So initially at t is equals to 0, it will be at 100 degrees Celsius. So this is the data you started taking.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So here, what was your T naught? Your water was at what temperature? 5 degree.
Yeah.
5 degrees Celsius, no?
Yes, sir.
There, that was your surrounding temperature. Or you can take it anything. What you want to do? You want to put it in ice. Just put it in ice, okay? 0 degrees Celsius. What you want to do? I'm asking to everyone.
Yes, sir. You can put it in ice.
Okay, let's put it in ice, okay? 0 degrees Celsius. So let's say for 5 minutes, what you just measured the temperature from 100 to it went to choose a number 80 degree.
Yes, sir.
It went to 80 degree. After that, you stopped recording the time, and you want to know at what time you can drink the water so that the temperature becomes 20 degrees Celsius. No,
20.
no, the question is very simple. You have just boiled the water and you want to drink it, and so that you want to know the time at what time you can drink that water. Okay, I think it's clear till here, no? So now what we can do is we can put this in above equation. T is equals to T naught plus Tm minus T naught
Yes, sir.
e to the power negative kt. And how many variables are there? There are so many actually. For let's say for 5 minutes, what was the temperature? For 5 minutes, we'll just pick this. The temperature was what? 80 degree. So can we put 80 over here? Surrounding temperature was 0. Maximum temperature was 100. This was 80. And what was the time taken? It was 5 minutes. No? Is this point clear? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Abhip is clear. Deepika, Rita, Aditya.
एकदम clear, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Ektal Ferry, sir.
Okay, once more. Okay. Till here, you have got the equation from the Newton law of cooling. Okay, Abhip, it's fine till here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you are just using your first data, which is given over here. Can you see at 5 minutes, your temperature has dropped to what? 80 degree.
Okay, sir.
Now you are just putting this number in this equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
80, that at time t equal to 5 minutes, it was at what? 80 degrees Celsius. I'm just putting that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And there is, this is 0, no? I wrote it's 80. Actually, that is 0, no? That should be 0.
Yes, sir.
That is T naught.
Sir.
So basically, 8T is equals to 100 e to the power negative 5k. Is clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So e to the power negative 5k will be how much? 80 divided by 100, which is basically 0.8.
Yes, sir.
So if you take log on both sides, what it will be?
Minus 5k.
Minus 5k should be equal to log of
0.8.
0.8. So basically k is equals to how much? Negative 1 by 5 log of 0.8. So this is your k. Just to find a K, we just need one more data, which is given by your first 5 minutes. Okay. Now you have found K. Now you can find time at which it will come down to what? 20 degree. So can anyone calculate this? Log 8. It's small K actually. Let's do it.
minus 0.097.
Minus 0.09. After doing everything, no, Abib? You got this? Everyone got this?
No, sir. Value of log 0.8
Val-
is minus 0.09.
Okay. So basically is 0.09 divided by 5, Abib.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
minus will cancel out. So it will be 0.0, 5 1 are 5, 5 8 are 40. This much. Everyone got this? Log of 0.8. No, you want to get. Okay, yeah, divided by 5.
0.019.
0.019.
19.
How?
Yes.
Okay, 0.019. So it's not possible to get from here. I think you added one more digit, no? So that's why you will have 0.019.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, actually it doesn't matter, 0.08 or 0.09. So now what you have got? You have got K as well. Now you can substitute this in your equation. So what you wanted? You want a temperature to reach to 20 degrees Celsius, with surrounding temperature being 0 degree Celsius, and you want to know the time at which it will reach 20 degree. No.
Yes.
Now you just put it in our equation. 20 is equals to maximum was what? 100. No, it was T naught, no, first. 0
0.
plus maximum was 100 minus 0 exponential e to the power minus. Now we can put the value with this over here. 0.19, and now you have to find this time. Clear? Is it clear? Let's
Yes,
find
sir.
it.
No,
Can
sir.
you find this? No. Rita, you didn't understand.
Deepika.
Deepika, okay. You just substituted this thing. You want your final temperature to reach what, Deepika? 20
Sir,
degree.
what we got was K, na, sir? 0.019.
Yeah.
And but in the
Tell me.
oh, okay, sir. Bujhe.
Because there is how many? There is one more. There's no variable K. So we want to find the value of this.
Okay, sir.
So that is how we got it from your second data. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So from there, I think it is a very straightforward. So basically e to the power negative 0.019 t should be equal to 20 divided by 100. No, 0 will cancel out. 0.2. Again you will take log. So it will be log of 0.2. Now, Abhi, for anyone, just find this. How much you will get? T is equals to negative 1 divided by 0.019 log of 2.2. How much you will get? Should I write it?
36 point something, sir.
36.787 मैंने कहा था.
Okay, roughly 36.8 we can put it, no? 18
Yes.
minutes.
7, 8.
So how long it will
Yes, sir.
take for your water to cool down?
36 minutes.
And 8 seconds. So previously,
Seconds.
how much you have guessed? Around 40-45 minutes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So your approximation was also quite near, actually. So this is how you can use the Newton's law to find how it will cool down. Now, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
It's clear, no, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much the time it will take?
36 minutes. It's
Seconds. Now, if you have, instead of putting into ice, now if you have put into, let's say, your room, which was at 5 degrees Celsius, okay, then the temperature it would take, the time will be more. No.
yes, sir.
Now you do one problem. Just consider the surrounding temperature to be at 5 degrees Celsius, okay? And just find the time. Same problem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next what we are going to do, calorimeter. Do you know what is calorimeter? Calorimeter.
Calorimeter.
सर क्यालोरी ट्र्याक गर्ने सर जिउको
Okay, that's also kind of correct. Basic calorie is a form of
फ्याट्स
So, students, is it okay till here? So,
Yes,
Sultan,
sir.
you are saying something. What was calorimeter?
सर त्यो जिउमा पनि सर हाम्रो बडीमा पनि क्यालोरी भन्ने हुन्छ नि सर
Okay,
त्यो ट्र्याक गर्ने
Okay, basically calorie is a form of energy. Yesterday, I think we have studied in our previous class. No,
सर
Yes,
calorie
sir.
is a form of energy. Yeah, basically calorimeter is something which will measure calorie. Sultan is correct.
यस सर
So calorimeter is basically an instrument for measuring the amount of heat. Okay. What
Yes,
does your
sir.
thermometer measures?
Temperature.
Okay. Yeah, correct. Thermometer is for
Temperature.
टेम्परेचर
thermometer is for measuring temperature.
Temperature.
Similarly, calorimeter is for measuring
Calorie.
amount of heat. Okay, yeah, very good.
Measure heat.
I've sent you in your notes. Just copy it from your notes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question from previous Newton's law of cooling? We can clear about now.
No, sir.
Anyone? Aditya, Pankaj? Any doubt?
नो सर
No,
No.
sir.
So you understood everything. Very good. So I'll show you a picture of what? Calorimeter. That is a calorimeter. Can you see that?
नो सर
Now?
यस सर
Yes, sir. Sir, it's too small.
Now?
Okay, yes, sir.
यस सर
Now everyone can see this. Okay, this setup is called what here?
क्यालोरी
The
मिटर
whole is called calorimeter, sir.
Yeah, it's just like a pressure cooker. The whole setup is called a what? Calorimeter. Okay. This whole setup is called what here?
क्यालोरी मिटर
Yes. Very good.
देयर इज थर्मोमिटर
Yeah, thermometer is there. How many components can you recognize?
Sir, there are two
थर्मोमिटर
vessels. There are two vessels.
Okay.
Later.
Right. Then, what is that? Water is there.
Basically, there are what? One cover. This is your balcony. Okay.
Yes, sir. Lid. Yes, sir.
This is here basically a lid, which is insulating lid. Okay. This system is just to make this calorimeter. This whole system is just to maintain a particular amount of heat to be present inside the body. Have you heard about thermoflask?
Thermoflask.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does they do?
So keep the water hot inside.
Actually, they keep the water hot and cold. Okay. Actually,
Oh, if you put cold.
cold water, because in some places the temperature will be extremely hot outside. So you want your water to be cold. So you can. The whole idea is the energy does not flows or enters into that system. Is it clear?
Sir, but there is also mercury in it, sir. That why
Mercury where?
in that thermal flask?
I don't think so. There will be a mercury.
No, sir.
There will be a reflecting
there will be-
glass will be there. Actually, the setup is like this. Okay, there will be what? Reflecting glass. That is to stop radiation. Okay, radiative heat.
Yes, sir.
There are different forms of it. You all know, no? Radiative, conservative, conventional,
होइन
something.
सर त्यो फ्लास्कको मुनिपट्टि एउटा चुच्चो रातो हुन्छ सर त्यो मर्क्युरी
Yeah, there is mercury. I don't know actually. The whole setup is like this. Here, what you'll get, some gap, air gap is present. Let's make it from the top view, okay? So it will be easier. This over here, it will be some gap will be there. No. And outside, it will be some insulating body will be sitting here, or in between, there could be some insulating body. The flask is something like this. No, this is a top view, okay? It's something like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Let's put
Something.
the air gap by like this. No, so it will be easier for you all to see. This is air gap, this is insulator, this is reflecting mirror or something, which is very shiny, which reflects. Reflecting body will what? It will reflect back your radiative heat, so the radiation does not escape. Okay. And this insulator which is present over here does not allow the conventional heat flow. What is conventional heat flow? That is very basic. Okay, conventional heat flow is it needs two body. A body should be in contact so that the heat transfers from one body to another body. Clear? Just like during when you cook, you put what pan over here and you start heating. Okay, this is conventional heating. So that's why your pan starts heating. No,
Yes, sir.
that is a conventional. No, I think it's clear, no? So I think, yeah, basically a calorimeter is also have a similar kind of setup. There is what? This, I think everyone knows what is this?
थर्मोमिटर
Oh, very good. Thermometer. And what is this? Steering or storing stick. Storing stick. What is this?
like
Pitoni.
glass.
Yes,
glass
very
rod.
good. Very good. Basically is what Sultan was telling.
Glass rod.
Yeah. Actually, it should be insulating as well, no? Glass rod or anything. Basically, it helps to store this. Stores means fitnu, basically. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's usually this kind of shape. Okay. So it will go up and down. So that this will move up, this circular thing, it will start stirring up and down. Clear? So that the heat flows evenly on all the liquid. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have a heat experiment, don't worry, you see it over there.
When?
In the near future. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from there, what are there? One is your outer vessel. Can you see? And one is your
Yes. Inner vessel.
inner vessel, and they are been insulated. Can you say they both are been isolated? This is just an insulating ring, so that the heat transfer does not occur. Clear?
Oh, gap.
Inner
Okay,
and
sir.
outer. Okay, this is an insulating ring, so that the heat does not transfer from here to there. Clear? So this is an instrument which is used for measuring what? Here, heat. Clear?
Heat.
So how does this evaluate the heat? By using the information of temperature. Because we know heat is related to temperature by what? Q is equals to mCT. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how calorimeter works. So the main worker is your thermometer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The whole lifting is done by a thermometer. That is the only measuring instrument which is present over there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now you know what is a calorimeter. No, I think it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take some break, then we'll again resume. Okay. We will resume at 12:05. Okay.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
start at 12:05. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.